Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, girl, welcome back to my channel. You already know what's up. If you've never been here before, I really hope you hit that subscribe button and just become a part of the fam. Okay guys, so today's video is in collaboration with BetterLength, and if you don't know who BetterLength is, it's a company that's specializing in creating textured clip-ins. They make hair for women like us or kind of hair texture. So guys, I've worked with BetterLength before. You can check out some previous videos. So this is not my first time. Their clip-ins are really good and they're really durable. The clip-ins that I'll be reviewing is their 3C to 4A, and that's their Afro Kinky curly clip-ins. This is the packaging that it comes in. Really nice satin bags, so you can always store your clip-ins in. And guys, each bundle carries 10 clip-ins. The curls are so beautiful. Love, love, love. So guys, one bundle is enough to do your entire head. It should give you a full look, so you definitely don't need to buy more than one. And these clip-ins are very durable. For today's style, I'll be doing a cute protective kind of style. I want to add a little bit of some braids in the front, and then I want to use my clip-ins on it. I have this style in my mind that I want to bring to life, so just keep on watching. Condition them, leave them to dry, and I'll come and do the braiding portion of my hair, and then we'll move on. Okay guys, so I did my hair off camera. The styling part of the front, I'm literally just doing 4 braids, and I'm leaving them long on the side. Then for the back, I'll have a clip-in. So basically I parted my hair in half, did some crazy braids in the back because girl, I have my nails on, so it's really hard to do my braids right. So the 4 braids in the front, they're not going to be my neatest braids ever. I left a little bit of my hairline out. I'm gonna straighten these with my little flat irons. My edges are not that much, but I want it to, you know, have a little look, so we're doing that. And I'll do one braid on camera and show it to you, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll come back and do the clip-in portions, because honestly, once you have your braids done in the front, it's easy. The clip-ins take a minute literally just to snap them in and you're good to go. Guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. I literally love it. My 4 braids, I did my edges. So cute. It comes down to here. Really, really, really cute. I love it. So now I'm just going to put my clip-ins in, and the clip-ins come with 10 pieces. I'm going to just measure it to my head size. Everyone's head is different, so just measure it. I won't tell you like, okay, use the one with 4 pieces first. No, just measure it to your head size and use the appropriate piece. The hair is like basically dry and just ready to be installed. Oh my god, my hair is pulling out right here, but this is the back. This is what the back of my hair is looking like. A little bit brazy, but once I put my pieces in, it'll be fine. And guys, be sure to do your clip-ins in like a U shape. As you come up, the closer the better, so each one will fall over the other and you won't have any of the tracks showing. You could always leave your hair out up here. I'm not doing that because the humidity and stuff, I don't like that. So I'll just literally do it all the way to the top and then just use some bobby pins to like hide the little track that's left. Everything looks so good. I'm going to put a shirt on and like put some earrings and stuff on, and then I'm gonna come back and give you all a look at the hair and also my final thoughts. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about this hair, about this hairstyle, because girl, I love it. It's so cute and it's super simple. It didn't take that much to achieve. I feel like you can try this style. You can definitely like do this, girl. And if you like this hair, all the links will be in the description box below. Also check out BetterLength on Instagram at BetterLength. You all, thank you so much for watching. I really love you guys, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.